Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can draw directly inside Notion. Even though Notion doesn't natively support drawing tools, you'll unlock a super simple workaround that lets you sketch ideas, annotate visuals, or even brainstorm with quick doodles, all within your notes. Whether you're a student, a designer, or just someone who loves adding a personal touch to your workspace, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly draw in Notion in just a few clicks. So let's dive right in. All right, first things first. Open up your web browser and head over to onlineboard.eu. This website is a fantastic free tool that lets you create an online whiteboard, and you don't need to create an account or install anything. Super convenient. When you arrive, you'll notice there are quite a few confirmations and pop-ups to go through. Some of these might ask about cookies, selecting a board style, or basic permissions. Just take a moment and read through these, clicking Accept or OK as needed. It might feel like a lot, but it's just the site making sure you're all set before you get started. Sometimes, these extra confirmations can seem tedious, but they're important to ensure your privacy and let the website work smoothly. Once you're past all those pop-ups and confirmations, you'll find yourself inside your very own digital board. Now, look for a button labeled Share. On most screens, it'll be at the top or along the toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you do this, you'll get a unique link to your board. This link is your key, because it lets you bring what you've just made over to Notion. Just click the button to copy the link to your clipboard. If you accidentally close the window or lose the link, don't worry. You can always go back to the online board and generate a fresh one. Next, head on over to Notion and open the page where you want your drawing board to appear. Click wherever you want to add the board. Usually, it's easiest to find an empty spot or start a new block. Now, paste the link you copied from onlineboard.eu straight into Notion. As soon as you do, Notion will offer you a couple of choices. You'll want to select Embed. This option is what allows you to bring in external, interactive content, like our drawing board. Sometimes, Notion might ask you to confirm embedding the link, or accept permissions from onlineboard.eu. Just click through these confirmations. If you see any pop-ups or warnings, take a quick look to make sure they're safe, and then proceed. After you've confirmed everything, you'll see your online board appear right on your Notion page. How cool is that? And the best part, you can now draw directly inside Notion. You can use your mouse or touchscreen to start sketching instantly. It's perfect for brainstorming, mind mapping, or adding visual notes to your project. If you make a mistake, don't stress. Most whiteboard tools have easy erase features or undo buttons. And that's basically it. You've just added drawing functionality to Notion without any complicated hacks or expensive plugins. Remember, sometimes technology throws in a few extra confirmations and hoops, but with a little patience, you always get rewarded. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It lets me know you want to see more content like this. And if you've got questions or run into any trouble getting your drawing board set up, just drop a comment below. I check and reply regularly. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy Notion tip. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!